Hello everyone. So today is 10th of October and tomorrow we have FinNifty expiry. So in the last video on Friday we discussed that EOD data was suggesting bullishness. FII's prop decks दोनों ने call buy किया था, so they bought calls, the big guys, and so market should have gone up. Even if I showed on the charts that I was ultimately bearish, because even if it goes up, then it should get resistance along this price range. That is 19,762 to 19,775, and for Bank Nifty also this price band that is at around 44,600. Okay, so talking about talking about that, and I also mentioned that this up move was fake. Okay, personally, like, that was my personal opinion, and yes, and like on Friday there was no news of any war. So after that, I clearly mentioned yesterday's tweet that if there is a gap down, you have to basically see what the big guys are doing with their call buying positions. Okay, so yes, I also mentioned this, that is the view is bearish. So that means whatever the big guys are doing, so they are making bearish positions. So that's what you have to track. Okay, when there is change in this thing, that is change in data, or the big guys are making losses. So yes, those the big guys who close their call buying positions, so had to close it at 30 to 40% loss. And if you notice, like today the big guys bought calls the last day. So if you have noticed, like after the gap down, the price of calls, okay, the premiums in the calls, so that did not decrease much. Okay, so it almost stayed where it opened. So if it was the retail traders, you would have seen that the prices are going like 1/4 or something. But yes, like the prices did not decrease. So whatever you say, manipulation or whatever, so we can't do anything about it. Yes, the major point being here is that when this up move was coming, so actually that was going for to give exit to the call buyers and the put writers, and fresh put buying was being done along this up move. Okay, and then you see that market fell again. So talking about that, yes, we bought puts along with the big guys, and the last put was bought at 57, and the price ultimately like went to 86 to 87 after that. And yes, so I mean the positions are at good profit, but still I'm carrying them overnight, and also I've called short at 90,600 CE. Okay, and so that's the positional positions, and also the intraday put buying position has been taken as position. Talking about the levels, so here 19,506, as you can see, the level which was discussed earlier, so it's giving a very nice support, and going above it got resistance at our 19,558 level that we discussed earlier. It went a little bit up, and basically you can also say that it got resistance from 200 EMA and on 5 minutes chart. So whatever works for you, okay, so you can justify according to that. Talking about Bank Nifty, so here Bank Nifty hovered around this level 43,940, which we discussed several times in the past, and going above it got resistance on the 20 EMA on 5 minutes chart, as you can very well see. So these basic setups helps you a lot during the intraday, so you don't need very hi-fi things. So these basic setups along with your setup, that's, I mean, a very good combination to go like catching the reversals or catching the moves, whatever you say, like I do. So anyways, basically why I keep my setup simple, because I go after the big guys. Okay, so I track their position, so that's why I require much less in the charts, rather than like I mostly require their data. Okay, so the charts percentage is like it's like 20%. Okay, big guys position percentage is like 40 to 50%, or maybe like 30%. Okay, so and rest 40 to 50% is like psychology. So you have to understand the market psychology and the psychology of the big guys. And yes, now talking about FinNifty, yes, sorry, yes, Bank Nifty discussed FinNifty. Fin Nifty, talking about, I have drawn these levels, which you can also draw them on your charts. As you can see, 19,004, the immediate resistance is at 19,646, and the next support is at 19,546. Okay, so this 100 points region. So let's see Fin Nifty on which side it breaks. So basically, call writing has been done by the big guys even at 19,600 as well and above. So there is a high chance that Fin Nifty can touch this support level, and then we have to observe what happens next. Okay, talking about our indicators, so this is like there was a gap created here, then finally Nifty came down. And also talking about Bank Nifty also, so there was some gap created, and then I mean, though the score was coming down, spot was going up, so that was the divergence, and finally things came down. And if you want such analysis as in the Telegram channel, and so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And also like I mean, the last 2 days I have been shouting that this is nothing but a fake up move, and now you can very well see that things are finally coming down. So market को एक बहाना चाहिए. So don't think that it's just because of the war it came down. So it would have come down in any way. So like they need just an excuse. Okay. So even if you look at here, that is US markets did not fall much, though our gift Nifty is like I mean did not shoot up. Okay, so that's being said, let's go to the option chain. So option chain, if you notice Nifty, that is this call writing has been done. So fresh call writing has been done here, 19,600 you can very well see. Okay, but 19,600 on the put side, 19,550 you can see positions are being closed. Okay, talking about Fin Nifty, so put side looking weak. Even Fin Nifty, you'll see that these positions like OI is negative, and in the money also positions are being closed. Okay, and call side positions have been made. And talking about Bank Nifty as well, so Bank Nifty also, if you notice here, that is on Wednesday we have a Bank Nifty expiry. So in the money, put writers are closing, so they might be expecting some down move. And talking about here, that is we have the call writing positions which have been initiated today. So that being said, let's go to the end of the day data. So here end of the day data is suggesting that here put writing hasn't been done much by the FIIs. Okay, so call writing has been majorly done by the FIIs as well as the prop decks. So what they have done is like they have covered their call buying positions, and they have initiated a further out of the money call buying positions to hedge their call writing positions. And talking about, so call writing positions have been done, and you will see that prop decks, they have closed their call buying positions at that loss, 30 to 40% loss. And also like they have initiated their put writing call writing positions, and the rest of the positions they have hedged, they have used for hedging of their call writing positions. Okay, and moreover, like also if you notice that put writing has been closed by the prop decks. So the prop decks are closing their put writing positions, and also you'll notice that put buying positions have been closed. So what happens is that the hedging positions have been closed, but again some like those positions, like suppose if they have shorted 19,500, they bought 19,300. Okay, now they will be closing 19,300, and they would be buying puts at 19,500. Okay, so the thing is that they shift their positions like this, and so I mean you would see negative because the hedging positions were more, and now the positions finally being taken are less. So anyway, so put buying also has been done by them as well. And yes, talking about FII, so FII is again majorly they have done futures short positions taken, and overall they are bearish over the futures. And prop decks, their activity is not much in the futures, but overall they are bullish. Okay, so overall talking about EOD data, so it's suggesting that things are going to go down. And as I said, like where they have bought puts, Okay, so I mentioned this in the tweet. I'll explain. I'll say it in the video. So the very first thing is that I'll just be able to say only Nifty. So because you can't track, because I have to mentally track them, so you can't track simultaneously all the three Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, where the big guys are buying puts. So talking about buying puts, so they have bought at 19,600. Okay, and I basically remember they buying at 19,500. Okay, so 19,500, they majorly bought it at 75. Okay, and also bought it at 57 to 58. Okay, and yes, so if you take the majorly, they bought it here. They also bought it above, like at in the morning they bought it like from 85 to 93 region also. Okay, so if you leave that, okay, majorly they bought it in this region, so their concentration is there, and that's why like you would see that when market ends, okay, so here when the market fell to the same level, the premium did not increase. Okay, so the premium here, when market fell to this point, okay, so premium of 19,500 P went to 87, but then after that when it fell more, so the premium went to almost 82, but after that at the end, when the premium again went to 86, almost 86 point something, so whatever it is, so the thing is that premiums are being managed. Okay, and yes, finally, but since they've also bought puts, so they took the market finally down, and let's see, we are also carrying puts according to them, and let's see what happens tomorrow. So talking about I think I've discussed all the major points and the levels. So if my analysis is helping you, so don't forget to put a like, and for live market updates like this, you can follow me on Twitter, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for for daily analysis, and you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group to catch the big guys and to get hold of the money flow of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next